Hello everyone. We are going to discuss understanding marketing and marketing operations. So let's begin with the discussion of what do we understand with marketing operations and how it is different from marketing. When we talk about marketing, it is more about the product marketing, all those functions with the organization do to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers, which is about making the awareness about the product, about the service, which is about advertising, sales, promotion, and then maximizing the revenue of the organization. So this term marketing operations, is it different than marketing? And the answer is yes. And this term is relatively new in marketing, which basically enables the marketing department to run smoothly and efficiently. So it oversees all the functions of the marketing department and assuring that it is streamlined. It is moving in the same direction and it has the main support through people, procedures, technology, and data. So when you talk about people, it is about the marketing employees. When you're talking about the procedures, it is about all the operations. When you're talking about technology, it is about the systems, apps, tools, softwares, digital platforms. And when you are talking about the data, it is about the previous data, the current data, and on the basis of that, what type of analytics you are going to make. So marketing operations is to take care and to looking into the bigger picture of all the from start to end activities which are happening in your marketing department. So, talking about the main pillars of the marketing operations, which are marketing project planning, which are end-to-end creative process management, which is marketing technology infrastructure, which is marketing data analytics, and the brand compliance and risk. And we are going to discuss all of this now one by one. So the most important pillar of the marketing operations is the marketing project planning. So the organizations have the different types of projects in the capacity of marketing project planning. It may be possible for the organization, which is basically now into the business of hotels, but now they also want to open their restaurants and they want to start the campaign for the marketing of those restaurants. And for that purpose, you need to consider it as a project. It may be possible that for the hotels, you are mainly relying on the digital platforms or maybe the support of the online travel agencies like Booking.com or Trivago. But ideally, for the restaurants, you might need to have more collaboration with Deliveroo, with Talabat, with Zomato, and many others. So can we see the difference between the marketing campaigns when you are expanding your businesses? So what type of projects are going to be initiated in your marketing department in this year, in the coming years, and about the budget allocation and about actually making a crystal clear picture of everything which is going to happen in your marketing department is something where the marketing project planning or the marketing project could be rebranding. Some of your brands or some of your products are not working well, and that's why you are looking forward to change the name or change the logo or change the product design or changing the packaging, or maybe you want to make it more sustainable and you want to get it attested with one of those organizations in US which is going to make it more authenticated in terms of a sustainable product. So it could be termed as a marketing project. So your marketing operations team is going to look into that, how the different projects are being handled by your marketing team, and then the marketing operations takes care of the end-to-end creative process management. So marketing is all about creativity. Marketing is about thinking out of the box. Let's suppose you are doing your ad campaigns and the style of the digital storytelling, and you are coming up with some amazing infographic based on the Canva, or you are trying to do some digital campaigns via TikTok, taking the examples of Sephora and Spotify and how they have made an amazing success. So from the start till the end, it's a creative process. So the marketing operations try to look into the bigger picture and they see the creative aspect and they see that what type of campaigns have been launched, which is probably not being done by your competitors, and that's how you can try to incorporate some uniqueness in that. the marketing technology infrastructure. So in this very fast-paced digital environment we are living in, the focus of the marketing is 360-degree change and moving towards the divergence of digital marketing, with having the paid Google ads, with having the search engine optimization, with having YouTube, Insta, TikTok, and Pinterest as the major platforms for the marketing. So we can say that without having the technological support and without having the understanding of the digital tools and platforms, no organization can foster success today. So whatever the technological infrastructure you have and how you are trying to do the best in the given resources is again the operation of a marketing operations team. And moving forward is last but not the least, the marketing data and analytics. So the marketing analytics is again one of the increasingly term which you must have heard from the marketer. So what is marketing data analytics? Marketing data analytics is looking into the data, the previous data, which is available to you. And on the basis of that, the decision making is going to be used. For example, last year, you may have used 4 different type of campaigns for the same product, which may be the digital marketing, which may be the television advertising, which is radio advertising, and which is personal selling. But the data can tell you that maybe the television advertisement, or let's say the digital marketing, had performed the best and given you the best ROMA. ROMA is return on marketing investment. So the marketing analytics, looking into the predictive, prescriptive, and the descriptive models and making the hypothetical situations, looking into the different models of cross-selling, upselling, and looking into the dynamics of what you can do to achieve the maximum customer life value is again the task of marketing operations. And then the brand compliance and risk. The brand compliance and risk is about the marketers must need to do the ethical function. So whatever you are promising, whatever you are claiming, whatever the content you are creating, are you just trying to work on the clickbait? So you are actually genuine in your offering. What your content creators are doing, are they being ethical? Are they trying to demonstrate the correct image of your organization? Do you understand the risk which is surrounded by your business, what your competitors are doing? What is your consumer behavior research? What is your market research? So these are all the things which have been further taken care by the marketing operations, and that is about this lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.